Hello everyone, I am Laika Inodio and I am your reporter for today, and I'm gonna tackle about the other concepts of national income and accounting. So it is all about the net national product and national income. So when you say about net national product, it is about the total value of goods produced and services provided in a country during a year, or other depreciation of capital goods has been allowed for. So please bear with me because I'm gonna show you the chart or data. So here it is. It shows the agriculture, fishery, and forestry. So, na siya differences within the 2008, 2009, 2010 data. So, you can see the differences no na murag from the agri-fishery kay nagkataas siya ang iyahang income, no? So, napod diri gipakita sa ang gross domestic product, so the annual change, the percentage. So, like sa service sector also, nakita sa nato ang changes. No, sa ang factor sa service sector kinaadira ang transport, the trade, finance, private services, and government services as well. So, next. So, net national product or NNP is a fine-tuned value for a more accurate accounting of the economy's final products, which are equal to GNP less depreciation. And also, depreciation partly consists of consumption of the capital goods previously produced and should not reflected in the accounting of the production activities and GNP of the year accounted. So the fine so the final form of GNP accounting using different approaches can be expressed as follows. So I'll be showing you a data again sa next na slide. So although part of the value of corresponding final products produced as an input, it also overstates the capital portion of GNP, which only refers to the unused portion of the capital stock as intended for long run consumption. So here it is. So naa diri gipakita ang personal expenditures, the gross domestic capital formation or investment. So there is a capital as well. There is also a formula for this as well. So the C stands for the personal expenditures plus the I, which is the gross domestic capital formation or investment. So, and plus G, the government expenditures stands for plus or minus the X, which is the net exports, and NFY as well as the GNP equals the GNP. So, mo na siya ang formula. So, the lower part mo na siya ang formula on how to get the GNP. So, next is, so the table 9, it shows the gross national product income approach. So, ari na to makita ang income of person, the corporate income, the government income from capital, and national income as well. So, the lower part, it is the formula on how to get that sad. So, the PY plus CY plus CY equals the national income. So, next is, so on the other hand, national income or NI is the income earned by the factor owners and equal to NNP less indirect taxes, the latter levied on production and not on income. So Aside from labor income, the difference also represents entrepreneurial and property income of corporations, individual, and the government, which already include factor payments of interest, rent, and profitives from the US and the like. Okay, so the next data or chart is representation as well of the GNP. So the table 10 shows actual computation of the GNP, industrial origin approach using the actual figures. So here it is. So personal income equals national income minus the services plus the T plus GI plus TP. So muna siya ang mga meaning ani ay ang mga abbreviation. So NI stands for national income, S for undistributed profits or corporate savings, T is for corporate taxes, and TP for the transfer payments. So mo na siya ang actual computation data. So mo na siya na diri sa lower part, mo na ang gipakita nga formula and how to get the personal income. So next part is the personal income, which is in income earned by persons or households. So the initial procedure deducts from national income. So non-personal accounts such as corporate taxes, undistributed profit, and government entrepreneurial income. Furthermore, to this reminder are added non-economic income of persons in the forms of transfer payments from the government and the rest of the world like pensions from the Philippine government, money sent by relatives or others. So, on the other hand, personal income is alternatively expressed according to the source as follow. So, P is equals to W plus D plus E plus TP. So, mora gapon ang meaning, same gapon. So, W stands for wages and salaries, D for dividends or distributed profits, EM is entrepreneurial and property income of persons. So, mo na same ra gapon siya sa atong gitakal nga other table. So, the disposable income and consumption is personal income available for consumption as it excludes personal taxes. On the other hand, consumption is equal to disposable income or less savings. So here is another data as well. Other formula. So disposable income is equals to personal income minus the personal taxes. So, easier siya. So, yun na siya kay more on deduct ra sa personal income and personal taxes. So, therefore, the consumption is equals to personal income minus the personal taxes minus the personal savings. So, understandable ra ang disposable income and consumption. So, next to it is the application. So, the price index is otherwise known as a GNP deflator, and the most commonly used is the consumer's price index. So, this is approximate reflections of the prices of the final goods and services of the economy since consumption is a significant portion of GNP. So, we all know naman the GNP kay natakol na siya sa last reporter. So, mo na siya ang data. No? So, the base year, the year 2, and the year 3. So, the current GNP and the annual percentage in price. Okay? Alright? So here is the data. So nadiri ang pie chart, the agri-fishery, forestry, and the 13.89 is the industry sector and the service sector. So mo na siya diri gipakita sa 2001 until 2010 na data, the GDP and the GNP and the growth. Okay? So, ato lang dyan to summarize all the net national income kay national minus the indirect taxes, and the net national income encompasses the income of households, business, and the government. So, mo na siya ang mo tong mga data, mo to siya nag-shows sa income sa government and also our personal income as well. So, mo to siya ang mga data. And then, so that's all. Thank you for listening and God bless you all.